guys, this is Rai and welcome to Rice Bakes. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I make my cauliflower rice. So let's begin. First, in a food processor, grind your cauliflower. You can also chop it into tiny pieces if you don't have a food processor. Make sure you wash your cauliflower properly. Mine was soaked in water with baking soda and vinegar for 30 minutes. Let's cook our cauliflower rice. In a saucepan, add olive oil and saute your garlic. So once your garlic is ready, you can now add your cauliflower. Cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until your cauliflower dries up. You can add salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. The cauliflower rice is ready to eat. You can also top it with your favorite dish. Mine, I top it with pork adobong puti cooked by my mom. For leftover, you can put it in airtight container and you can freeze it for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This is a very simple and easy low carb recipe. I hope you try it. Until next time, bye-bye!